Ordering food at a restaurant. Part 1. Arriving at the restaurant.
Waiter, good evening. Welcome to Sunny Bites. Do you have a reservation?
Customer. Good evening. No, we don't. Do you have a table for two, please?
Waiter, yes, of course. Right this way, please.
Do you have a table for two? Means you want a table for two people.
Waiter, here's your table. Would you like to sit inside or outside?
Customer. Inside, please. Thank you. Part 2. Looking at the menu.
Waiter, here are your menus. Can I get you something to drink while you decide?
Customer. Yes. Could I have a glass of water, please?
Waiter, of course. And for you?
I'll have an orange juice, please. I'll have is a polite way to order in a restaurant. Part 3. Asking about the menu.
Customer, excuse me, could you tell me what's in the chicken pasta?
Waiter. Sure. It's made with fresh pasta, grilled chicken, mushrooms, and a creamy sauce.
Customer, sounds good. And what do you recommend? Waiter, the grilled salmon is very popular. It comes with vegetables and rice.
Part 4. Placing the order.
Waiter, are you ready to order?
Customer. Yes, I'll have the grilled salmon, please. Friend. And I'll have the chicken pasta, please.
Waiter, great choice. Would you like any appetizers?
Customer. Maybe garlic bread to share.
Waiter, perfect. I'll bring that right away.
Part 5. During the meal.
Waiter, how's everything? Is the food okay?
Customer. Yes, it's delicious, thank you. Friend. The pasta is amazing. How's everything? Is a common way for waiters to check if you're happy with your food. Part 6. Asking for dessert.
Waiter, would you like to see the dessert menu?
Customer. Yes, please.
Waiter, we have chocolate cake, cheesecake, and ice cream.
Friend. I'll have the cheesecake, please.
Customer, I'll just have a coffee, thanks.
Part 7. Asking for the bill. Customer. Could we have the bill, please?
Waiter, of course. Here you go. That will be $35.
Customer. Here's $40. Keep the change.
Waiter, thank you very much. Have a great evening.
Customer. Thank you. Goodbye.